Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create, rename, and organize Google Sheets. Whether you're setting up a new project tracker, budget planner, or any kind of spreadsheet, knowing how to properly create and organize your sheets from the start will save you time and keep your workspace tidy. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google tools and files. Once you're on the workspace dashboard, you'll notice that creating a new Google Sheet is pretty straightforward. You actually have two options here. You can either select from the template gallery, which offers pre-made spreadsheet templates for things like budgets, schedules, and project trackers, or you can simply click on blank spreadsheet to start from scratch. Both options are great depending on what you need. For this example, let's keep things simple and click on blank spreadsheet. This will instantly open a fresh, empty Google Sheet ready for you to work with. Now that you've created your Google Sheet, the first thing you'll want to do is give it a proper name. Look at the top left corner of your screen and you'll see it says Untitled Spreadsheet. That's the default name Google assigns to every new sheet. Click on Untitled Spreadsheet and a text box will appear. Here you can type in whatever name you prefer for your spreadsheet. This is important because a clear descriptive name makes it much easier to find your file later, especially if you're working with multiple sheets. Next, let's talk about organizing your sheet so it doesn't get lost among all your other files. Right beside the name you just changed, you'll see a small folder icon. Click on that icon, and a window will pop up showing you all the folders in your Google Drive. This is where you can choose exactly where you want to store your spreadsheet. Select the folder that makes the most sense for your project, and then click Move. Your sheet will now be neatly filed away in that folder, making it easy to locate whenever you need it. There's one more level of organization you can add, and that's customizing the individual sheets within your spreadsheet. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a tab labeled Sheet 1. Right-click on it and a menu will appear. From here, click Rename to give that specific sheet a custom name that reflects what data it contains. You can also click Change Color to assign a color to that sheet tab. This visual organization is especially helpful when you're working with multiple sheets in one file, as it allows you to quickly identify which sheet you need at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Sheet, renamed it, organized it into a folder, and even customized the individual sheet tabs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.